Hello, parents. Welcome back to our 3 in 3. My first tip today is all about giving you the ability to install Office 365 on more than one device. As a license within the school, our students have the ability to be able to install Office 365 on up to 5 devices. So what you need to do, if you want to install it on a device that isn't your child's laptop, then you ask them to sign in to the device itself. So you can see here, I'm signed in as my son. And under learning, you can see you've got these Office applications here. It doesn't matter which one you click on. I'm just going to go to OneNote. And you then have the ability to click this button here to go home. When you're in the home, you can see you've got install and more. And here it gives you the ability to be able to install the Microsoft suite on an additional device, and you can do that up to 5 times. It will give you a list of the devices that you've already installed it on, and you can remove it from those. When your child leaves the school, then that license is closed and you'll need to purchase your own. So useful from that perspective. My second tip is a website that I recently read and enjoyed reading and learned quite a bit as a parent, and I want to share this. I'll share it with you in the description below. Please do go and have a read about helping you in terms of having somewhat challenging conversations with your children about various different things, screen time, etc., etc. For me, it was number 4, which I found challenging in terms of trying not to hold a grudge with my children. And my last tip is all about making sure that Patana addresses are any emails that come from the school are in your safe list in terms of they're not sent to junk. And here I'm in Outlook. You can do it in various different platforms. I click on the 3 dots and I go to junk, and here go to junk mail options. And under the safe senders, you need to make sure that at patana.ac.th, so at patana.ac.th is in there, so that any emails that come from the school will be safe and will not be sent to junk. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.